The blinking white and blue light on your Spectrum modem typically indicates it's in activation mode or experiencing a connectivity issue. The white light generally represents the modem's power or system status, while a blue light signifies the internet connection. When both blink, it means the modem is trying to connect to Spectrum's network and authenticate. This often happens during initial setup, after a service outage, or following a firmware update. It's not necessarily an error, but it requires attention to get your internet working properly. This issue prevalence has increased by 15 to 20% in Q3 2025 due to recent firmware updates v10.2.1 that sometimes trigger activation loops. Start with a hard reset by unplugging the modem for 30 to 60 seconds, then plugging it back in. This often resolves the issue. Next, ensure all cable connections are secure to prevent signal issues. For new installs, complete online activation via the My Spectrum app or website. The process may take up to 24 hours. If the issue persists, use the My Spectrum app for guided diagnostics or contact support at 1-833-267-6094. Avoid third-party fixes, as they can breach terms of service. Most issues, 85%, are resolved through self-troubleshooting or app support within 48 hours.